Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the last topic of chapter 2, structure and physiography, and the topic is the island. So first, what is an island? An island is a piece of subcontinental land that's surrounded by water. That is an island. And what was the peninsula? Peninsula means that a landmass that is surrounded by the water from the three sides, that is called the peninsula. Like Indian Peninsula Plateau. So in India, the islands are divided into two subgroups categories: the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. First, we'll discuss about the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island found in Arabian Sea. You can see in this map. In this map, in the Arabian Sea, here Lakshadweep Islands are there in front of the coast of the Kerala. Okay, Malabar coast है यहाँ पे. So in front of the coast of the Kerala, Lakshadweep Islands are there. So Lakshadweep Islands, these are the groups of 36 islands, and they are scattered in the latitude and the longitude. Latitudes are 8 degree north to 12 degree north, and the longitudes are 71 degree east to 74 degree east longitude. Okay, and these islands, Lakshadweep Islands, receive the rainfall is convectional rainfall. And why convection rainfall? What is convection rainfall? Convection rainfall means here, like due to the high temperature and high evaporation near the equator area, this type of rainfall occur. ठीक है, because of high temperature the streams uprising and they evaporate the water, and after the evaporation and condensation process there is rainfall, and that rainfall found occur in the equatorial region. That's why this is called the equatorial rainfall, you can say, and this is the convectional rainfall. Like in the summer season in India also, in Haryana and Punjab areas also, there is convection rainfall due to the high temperature. So Lakshadweep Islands found in the Arabian Sea and in front of Kerala, and here is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so let's continue this topic, Lakshadweep Island. So due to the convection rainfall, there is a vegetation is equatorial type of vegetation. इक्वेटोरियल मतलब कि क्या है, एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, जहाँ पे हाई टेम्परेचर है, हाई रेनफॉल है. सो इन दैट एरिया वी फाउंड द एवरग्रीन वेजिटेशन एंड इक्वेटोरियल टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेशन. So this group Lakshadweep Island is built by the coral deposit. This Lakshadweep Island is formed by the coral deposit, and here is the largest island. I told you like there is the group of 36 island. तो 36 आइलैंड में से देयर इज़ द लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड, दैट इज़ द आइलैंड नेम इज़ मिनिकॉय आइलैंड. ठीक है, मिनिकॉय आइलैंड इज़ द लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड इन द लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स ग्रुप, एंड द टोटल एरिया ऑफ दैट आइलैंड इज़ 453 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, एंड दैट एंटायर ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड इज़ ब्रॉडली डिवाइडेड बाय द 11th डिग्री चैनल. ठीक है, जितना भी एंटायर ग्रुप है लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड का, दैट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय द 11th डिग्री चैनल, मीन्स 11th डिग्री लैटिट्यूड, यानी कि 11 डिग्री नॉर्थ से वो सेपरेट करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. सो नॉर्थ ऑफ विच इज़ द एमिनी आइलैंड, यानी नॉर्थ है जो कि 11 डिग्रीज को सेपरेट करता है. इन द नॉर्थ देर इज़ एमिनी आइलैंड, एंड टू द साउथ इज़ देर इज़ कैरेनोर आइलैंड. ओके, एमिनी आइलैंड इन द नॉर्थ एंड कैरेनोर आइलैंड इन द साउथ. Okay, so this is about Lakshadweep Island. Next we'll discuss about Andaman Nicobar Island. So you can see Andaman Nicobar Island, the two groups are there of island groups. In the north there is Andaman Nicobar Island, and in the south is in the north Andaman Island, and in the south is Nicobar Island. And Andaman Nicobar Island is separated with the 10 degree channel, means 10 degree north latitude. 10 degree north latitude separate the Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south, both islands. Next we'll discuss about Andaman Nicobar that found in Bay of Bengal, and this is the group of 572 islands, and they are located in between the 6 degree north to 14 degree north and 90 degree north to 92 degree east to 94 degree east longitude. So these are the two principal group of islets, include the Ritsi archipelago and the Labyrinth Island. Okay, so they are separated by the water body which is called the 10 degree channel, I told you, and that is formed by the volcanic eruption. And here is only one active volcano, that is on Barren Island. Okay, Barren Island पे एक active volcano, only one active only one active volcano in India. And there are also some highest mountain peak in Andaman Nicobar Island, and the highest peak of the Andaman Nicobar Island is Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of the Andaman Nicobar Island, and other mountain peaks are Mount Devolo and Koyob Mountain also is the in Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, these are the mountain peak in Andaman Nicobar Island. Highest peak is Saddle Peak. Okay, so do this topic Lakshadweep Island, and second is Andaman Nicobar Island.